Greenfingers Garden Centre is a friendly garden centre situated in Denbigh. If you're interested in purchasing garden supplies, tools, plants and accessories, then Greenfingers Garden Centre will have something to suit your needs. With over 30 years experience in the trade, our friendly and experienced staff are always on hand to help you with any gardening questions you may have. Whether you're a keen gardener or new to gardening, we are here to help you in any way we can. Come and see us and browse our vast range of plants and gardening supplies.